mouth-watering grill ribs with my homemade barbecue rub recipe. Hey there, grill masters and food enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a treat that'll tantalize your taste buds and make your next barbecue unforgettable. We're diving into the world of succulent grill ribs, and my secret behind my flavor-packed ribs lies in the incredible homemade barbecue rub that I'm about to share with you. Oscar Island style. Ingredients. The full list is in the description below. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the amazing lineup of ingredients that'll make up our signature barbecue rub. Kosher salt, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, chili powder, cumin, ground coffee, sugar, brown sugar, ground pimento, dry mustard, ground chipotle peppers, dry thyme, dry jerk seasoning. Directions. Step 1. Gathering the ingredients. Start by gathering your ingredients. Having everything pre-measured and ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Step 2. Assembling the rub. In a food processor, add 4 tablespoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 3 tablespoons of ground coffee, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of ground pimento, 1 tablespoon of dry mustard, 1 tablespoon of ground chipotle peppers, 1 tablespoon of dry thyme, 4 tablespoons of dry jerk seasoning. Step 3. Mixing the rub. Pulse the ingredients in the food processor until they're thoroughly combined. This vibrant mixture brings together the smoky, spicy, and savory flavors that will elevate your grill ribs to a whole new level. Step 4. Applying the rub. Now, it's time to impart all that amazing flavor onto your ribs. Before you begin, make sure your ribs are clean and patted dry. Generously coat both sides of the ribs with the homemade barbecue rub, pressing it gently to adhere. Step 5. Letting the magic happen. Once your ribs are beautifully coated, it's time to let them marinate. You can wrap them in plastic wrap and refrigerate for a few hours, or, for even better results, let them sit in the fridge overnight. This gives the flavors ample time to penetrate the meat. Step 6. Firing up the grill. Prepare your grill for indirect grilling. If you're using charcoal, set up your coals on one side of the grill and place a drip pan on the other side. If you're using a gas grill, heat one side and leave the other side off. Step 7. Slow and low cooking. Place your marinated ribs on the cooler side of the grill, away from the direct heat. Close the lid and let the ribs cook low and slow. This slow cooking method will render the fat, tenderize the meat, and allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Step 8. The finishing touch. As the ribs near perfection, you can brush on your favorite barbecue sauce if desired. Let the ribs cook for an additional 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the sauce to caramelize and create a mouth-watering glaze. Step 9. Serving and enjoying. Once your grill ribs are cooked to perfection, carefully remove them from the grill. Let them rest for a few minutes before slicing into them. The result? Juicy, flavorful, fall-off-the-bone ribs that will have your friends and family coming back for seconds. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate grill ribs made using our sensational homemade barbecue rub. This rub isn't just limited to ribs, it's perfect for chicken, steaks, and more. Thanks for joining us today. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes, and let us know in the comments how your grill ribs turned out. Until next time, happy grilling! Oscar Island style.